Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, we all have been mining in Hamster Combat, and within a very short period of time, this project has become the biggest crypto mining project of all time. For now, it has more than 100 million users in the community. They have a huge user base on every single social media platform, whether it is YouTube, X or Telegram. With such a big community, of course, they must be facing big and small challenges to launch the token and to maintain such huge traffic. Meanwhile, people are searching for the price of the Hamster Combat token after the launch, when Hamster Combat airdrop is coming, and most importantly, a large number of users have started calling it a scam. So guys, in today's video, I will talk about all these points and cover these topics in detail so that you can understand everything properly. All you have to do is keep watching this video till the end to understand everything in detail. And if you find this video helpful and informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, first of all, let's talk about the price of Hamster Combat token, because undoubtedly very soon we are going to witness the biggest crypto token launch. So everyone is keeping an eye on the price of this token at the time of the listing. Well, in some pre-market, its price ranges somehow between $0.30 to $0.7. However, the price may differ after or at the time of token launch, but with this we can have a small idea about the listing price and the profit we will get with this fantastic crypto mining project. From this, for the users who are Hamster Combat, for that there is no chance of listing or any airdrop, so just wait for some time. Until then, keep earning in the Hamster app. Now comes another important part of this video: why people started calling it a scam and what are the reasons behind it. Guys, recently Hamster Combat has introduced a new level in the app called Creator, for which you should have an 18 billion main coin balance in your Hamster Combat account. On the other hand, they are saying profit per hour is more important than the main coin balance, and now they are introducing a new level that is completely based on the main coin balance. These points are not connecting with each other. Also, they are delaying the token launch, and this may stretch a little bit more because they are earning millions of dollars with their YouTube channel and with Telegram as well. At this time, if they launch the token, then their YouTube earning will slashed by at least more than 60%, because people are watching their videos because of the given tasks in the app and to stay updated with all the recent updates. But if they launch the token, then people will not have any reason to keep watching their videos, and only a few users who will trade in Hamster Combat and who will hold the coins will be watching their videos. So they will not hit their earning that badly, and it is one of the major reasons why they are delaying the launch, and it can be even more long. So because of these reasons, people have started calling Hamster Combat a scam. But guys, I can assure you this project is not a scam, and they will launch the token for sure. But yes, we have to wait for some more time to see the token launch. Till then, I would say don't listen to rumors, just subscribe to our channel. We will keep updating you with all the insider updates and latest news about Hamster Combat. And if you find this video informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos, and also share this video with other Hamster players to make them aware what is going on in Hamster Combat. Thanks for watching.